yet. By the way, I am Ryan Insoliveres, your mathematics teacher. Okay, before we start, Erna, lead us a prayer. Okay, good morning, class. Okay, take your seat. So this morning, before we proceed to our lesson, I have here 5 rules. What are those 5 rules? Okay, first is participate actively in class discussion. Okay. Second is when someone is talking in front, pay attention. Third is listen carefully and attentively to the instruction given by the teacher. How about it? Upat? Raise your hand if you want to answer and do not answer in chorus. 5. Minimize your voice. So that's 5 rules when we are in our lesson, or I will be your teacher. Okay. Is 5 rules clear? Okay, very good. So, this morning, before we proceed to our next lesson, who can tell me what was our lesson yesterday? Yes, that's it. Okay, very good. Our lesson yesterday is all about evaluating algebraic expression. Okay, if I will give an example of our last lesson, who can solve this? Evaluate the polynomials x squared plus 2 when x is equal to 0, x is equal to 3, and x is equal to -4. Okay, yes, Piping, solve x is equal to 0. And how about x is equal to 3? Yes, Erna. How about x is equal to -4? Yes, Juna. On the board. Okay, so is the answer of your classmate correct? Okay, we will check, huh? How about the answer of PP? Okay, 6x squared plus 2. So the x is equal to 0. Okay, 6x squared plus 2. Then, okay, he forgot the square. Okay, correct? How about to Erna? X is equal to 3. Okay, 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 6, 54. Okay, correct? How about to Chona? Okay, let's check. Okay, correct. So, any questions regarding to our last lesson? Okay, very good. So, this morning, we will have another activity. But before we proceed to our activity, so I will group the class into 3 groups. So, first row and second row is the first group. Third row and the fourth row is the second group. The fifth and the sixth row is the third group. But before that, form a circle first. So the first group who can form a circle will be given additional 5 points. Is that clear? Okay. So at the count of 10, you can form a circle. Okay. You can form a circle. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, I have here a scrambled words. So all you have to do is to think it and arrange it so that you can get the correct answer. Okay, so each group will be given 3 minutes to answer or arrange the scrambled word given. Okay, is that clear? Okay, so we will check if your answers are all correct. Okay.
is the output of group 1. Okay, nandito pala output ng group 1. How about the group 2? Okay. So group 2 naka-center talaga, no? Sa group 3. Okay. Group 3. So, I will start checking the output of group 3. Okay. The scramble word first is the nudidati. So what is that? Nudidati. We will check if the answer group 6 is correct. Okay, nudidati. Okay, correct. So correct ang answer sa group 3. How about the group 2? Okay, addition. You create the word addition. And the group 1, also addition. Okay, correct. How about the NAD? Then, okay, and correct. Group 3 got the correct answer. The group 2, okay, the same. The group 1, okay, correct. How about the osbunitra? Okay, what is that word? Okay, so group 3 is, recreate a subtraction word. How about the group 2? Okay, the same to the group 3. The group 1, okay, also the same. So group 2 and group 3. How about the foo? So automatically, no, there's no other word, but it's off. Okay, easy, no? So the same answer, group 1, 2, and 3. How about the nomial palace? Okay, so the create, okay, polynomial. The group 3 got the correct answer. Group 2 also, and the group 1. Okay, clap ourselves. They get the, all group get the correct answer. Okay, so tell me what is our lesson this morning? Yes, no really. Okay. Our lesson this morning is all about, okay, very good. Our lesson for today or this morning is all about addition and subtraction of polynomials. But before we proceed to our discussion, let us have a objective of this lesson. Is state the rules in adding and subtracting polynomials, and add and subtract polynomials horizontally or vertically, and apply the rules of addition and subtraction of polynomials to solve real life problem. Okay, so addition and subtraction of polynomials. By the way, what is addition of polynomials? Okay, I have here a definition. Addition of polynomials is just the same in combining, like on similar terms. You just have to group or associate first the similar terms by including them in parentheses and combining them. If they are already grouped, simply remove the parentheses, then combine similar terms. Okay, in adding polynomials using horizontal method, the expressions are arranged and grouped associated horizontally. Okay, example. Using the horizontal method, add 4a minus 7b by 6a plus 3b. Okay, step 1. Identify the similar terms. Okay, so identify daw nato ang similar terms. How to do it? Okay, the similar terms are in box and in circle. So, ang mga similar terms pala, para dali nato siya ma-identify, ato siyang i-circle o atong i-box. Okay. So, illustration. 4a, naka-box, minus 7b, naka-circle, plus 6a, which is similar to 4a, naka-box, plus 3b, similar to 7b. Okay, naka-circle. So, nakakuha na nato ang iyang similar terms. Then, step 2, group the similar. Okay, how to do it? The similar terms 4a and 6a and negative 7b, and 3b are enclosed in parentheses. Okay. Illustration is 4a plus 6a plus parenthesis of negative 7b plus 3b. Next is the step 3. How to add? Add the similar terms. In adding, apply rules on addition of integers where 4 plus 6 is 10. Then add that directly since the R have the same sign. So, ato na siyang i-add diretsyo since pareho man sila o sign. Next is copy the variable. Okay, automatic copy the variable of 4 and 6. Next is negative 7 plus 3. Since dili sila pareho og sign, unsa man nato siya? Okay, minus and copy the bigger sign of a number. Okay, so the illustration is in here. Okay, 4a plus 6a is equal to 10a. Then the next is plus negative 7b plus 3b is equal to negative 4b. Okay. Next is step 4. Okay, the sum of 4a minus 7b plus 6a plus 3b. Okay. So here is the how to do it. Okay. In algebra, when two operations are involved together in an expression, apply the rules in multiplying integers. Okay, we have the rules. Okay, the operation. Positive times positive is equal to positive. Negative times negative is equal to positive. Negative plus times positive is equal to negative. And negative times positive is negative. Okay, the illustration of our example is 10a plus quantity of negative 4b. O nara siya, the answer of step 3. So multiply positive times negative, it is negative according to the operation. So copy 10a, then multiply positive, negative, negative, and the 4b. So answer for our problem in example number 1 using the horizontal. And how about the vertical method? Okay, aran ang vertical method. Step 1, identify the similar terms. Okay, the same to the horizontal method. Okay, how to do it? Align vertically the similar terms 4a plus 6a plus and align negative 7b and 3b. Okay, this is the illustration. 4a minus 7b plus 6a plus 3b. Okay, in step 2, align the similar terms. So simply the illustration is align, naka-vertical siya, pindo. Okay, so 4a minus 7b and the 6a plus 3b. Okay, step 3, how to solve? Add the similar terms vertically. So ato siyang i-add automatic. Okay, in adding and applying the rules on addition of integers were the same to the step 3 in horizontal method. So this is now the illustration. 4a minus 7b plus 6a plus 3b. So 4a plus 6a, 10a. Okay, very good. So negative, positive. So how are we going to solve this? Positive, negative. So multiply. Okay? So negative times negative, positive is negative. Then add, since unlike sign, subtract. Ato siyang subtract. That's why we came up to the negative 4b. Okay, guys, step 4. The sum of 4a minus 7b plus quantity of 6a plus 3b. Okay, we have the result. So, pag-solve pa lang nato sa step 3, nakuha na din nato ang iyang result, which is the 10a minus 4b. Okay, here's the answer. How about example number 2? Using the horizontal method, find the sum of 4a minus 7b plus 9c and 6a minus 3b minus 4c. So you wonder, sir, naduwagan lagi na siya, sir. Lisod na lagi na siya. Okay, we will solve and I will discuss it with you. Okay? So, 4a, copy no? 4a minus 7b plus 9c. So, 4a minus 7b plus 9c, copy. And copy the 6a plus 3b minus 4c. So, we use addition sign since we are in adding polynomial. Okay, 6a minus 3b minus 4c. Okay, so how are we going to sum up of that? Using the steps given in example number 1. Okay, so 4a plus 6a, okay, the similar. Then negative 7b minus 3b, the second similar terms. And the third is plus 9c and 4 minus 4c. Then combine na. So, para makuha nato ang answer. Okay? So, 4a plus 6a is equal to 10a. Then, negative 7b minus 3b, since the same sign, okay, minus 10b. Copy the sign automatic. Same sign man siya. Then, the third similar terms, positive 9c or plus 9c minus 4c. So, what are we doing this? What are we going to solve this? Okay, since unlike sign siya, then subtract. Ato siyang minus, then copy the bigger sign of a number. Okay, plus 5c. So, this is now our answer. For example, subtract 14x plus 8y by 23x plus 2y. So using the horizontal method. So we will use the horizontal method. Okay. So 14x plus 8y minus, since we are in subtraction, so we will use negative sign. Quantity of 23x plus 2y. Okay. So 14x plus 8y minus 23x plus 2y. Then, we will now use this or change this into additive inverse. No, ato siyang i-change. So, simply multiply the negative to this number or to the number variable in the quantity. So, negative 23x is 23x. So, negative times positive 2y is negative 2y. So, we will now use the similar terms. So, the similar of 14x is the negative 23x. Then, the similar of positive 8y is the negative 2y. So, we will have 14x minus 23x plus 8y minus 2y. So, since unlike sign, so subtract, then copy the bigger sign of the number. So 14x minus 23x is negative 9x. Then 8y minus 2y is positive 6y. That's why we came up of this answer, which is negative 9x plus 6y. So we will use, next is, we will use the vertical method with the same example. Okay. Vertical method. Copy the given problem. Second is, Okay, copy the 14x plus 8y. Then, the additive inverse. So, nakuha naman nato ang additive inverse diri sa horizontal. So, we will now copy it to make it easy. O, di ba? So, ato na siyang tungod. Okay, 14x plus 8y minus, wala siya minus class. Sorry for that. Okay. So, minus 23x minus 2y. Okay, nakatungod na siya. Masayo na nato siya i-subtract. Okay, 14 minus negative 23, negative 9. Copy the variable x. Then, positive 8 minus negative 2, positive 6. Then, copy the variable. So, saan yung mas madali? Okay, lahat madali. No? So, is any questions regarding to our lesson? Okay. Okay, so see, no really humihingi ng another example. Okay, I will give you another example of this. So, example, okay, another example. Okay, subtract 3a plus 2b by 5a plus 7b. Horizontal method. We will use first the horizontal method. 3a plus 2b minus 5a plus 7b. So, next is, i-copy lang nato si Gavin problem. Then, next is 3a plus 2b. Copy. And, see, subtrahend, what is the additive inverse? Okay, simply multiply the negative to the number of variable in parentheses. So, negative 5a, negative times 5a, negative 5a, negative times positive 7b is negative 7b. Okay, let's now proceed to similar terms. So, we will combine or find the similar terms, which is the 3a. So, which is the similar, okay na. Minus 5a. Then, copy C. Next is, copy C, positive 2b. Then, the similar terms is minus 7b. Okay. Next is combine. So, how are we going to combine? 3a minus 5b. Negative 2a. Since naku si negative 5 kaysa kang 3. Okay. That's why we have negative 2a. Then, positive 2b minus 7b is negative 5b. Okay. This is now the answer. Is it clear? Okay, very good. How about in vertical method? Okay, this is the vertical method of another example. 3a plus 2b minus quantity of 5a plus 7b. Okay, 3a plus 2b, then copy the additive inverse, which is, nakuha na natin siya daan diri sa ato ang horizontal method. So, automatic copy na. Para dili na tama, mali-mali pa. Okay, to make it easy. Okay. So, 3a plus 2b minus negative 5a minus 7b. So, nakatungod siya. 3 minus negative 5 is negative 2 since ako si negative 5. So, copy the variable. Then, positive 2b minus 7b is negative 5b since ako si 7 na negative kaysa kang 2b. Then, copy the variable. This is now our answer. The same answer, but not the same process. Okay, so, questions? Okay, none so far. Very good. Kapray sa question. Activity. So, with the same group, all you have to do is to answer those problems in each station. So, you have 3 stations. The first station is located at right side. And the second station is located at the back. And the third station is located at the left side. Okay, each group will be given 3 minutes to answer those problems in each station. So, is that clear? So, first group, we will answer in station 1. Second group, start in station 2. And the third group, start in station 3. So, after you've done solving in first station you assigned, then change so that you can visit all the station. Is that clear? Okay. So, timer starts now. Okay, since the timer is already done, then tap all your answers. So, here is the group 1, then the group 2, and the group 3. So, we'll tap your answer in different areas. Okay, so is that clear? Okay, tap your answers. We will check if it is correct. Okay, so station 1, the answer is 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 plus 4. Okay, so the answer of group 1 is wrong. Okay, so how about the group 2? Okay, the answer of group 2 is 2x squared plus 3x plus 4. Okay, they got the correct answer. Check. Okay, how about the group 3? Okay, the same to the group 2. Check. Okay, how about station number 2? Okay, the answer is 13b plus 13a plus 18b plus 15c. Okay, correct. How about the group 2? Okay, correct. Already correct now. And the group 3. Okay, correct. How about in station number 3? Okay, what is the answer? Using the vertical line, we will, okay, the station 3, no, use the vertical line, method rather. Okay, so the answer is 9a squared minus 2a minus 3. Okay, so error. Okay, mali. No, mali. Answer sa ng group 3. So how about the group 2? Okay, so also wrong. And the group 3 got the correct answer. Okay, check. So group 3 got 3 points, and group 2 got 2 points, and the group 1 got 1 point. Okay, clap ourselves. Okay. Okay, is there any questions regarding to our lesson? Okay, none so far. Okay, so I will be the one to ask you. Okay, ra? Okay, so what is the process in solving addition and subtraction of polynomials? Yes! Piping. Okay, very good. So, in the process in solving addition and subtraction of polynomials is to find the similar terms first and remember all the steps, no? And the rules before we proceed in solving polynomials. Okay, very good. So how can this relate in our day-to-day life? Oh, how it is important? Huh? Okay, so it is important. For example, in our everyday salary, no? Kung natin adlo-adlo ang salary, siyempre kung dili ta kabalo mo compute, malugi ta, di ba? So, next is monthly salary, di ba? Kung ang ato ang monthly salary, mag-salary tag 25,000. So, natin absent, marunong ta mag-deduct. So, at least, dili ta lugi. Okay. Next is the amount of tax, no? Siyempre, kabalo ta sa amount sa tax, kabalo ta mo compute. So, dili kita maliba. So, importante yun nga kabaluta. Okay, next is our overtime pay. So, aside sa ato ang monthly salary, kung natay overtime pay, so kabaluta kung pila ang ato ang income. Pila na add sa atong income. So, naunawaan. Subtime? Okay, very good. So, hit 1/2 sheet of paper. And answer the following. So answer the following problems using any method in solving addition and subtraction of polynomials. So there are 5 problems. Okay. So. Amen? Add and subtract the polynomials by applying the rules you must learn from our discussion. To unlock the mystery words, show your solution in your math notebook. Okay? That's all for this morning. I am Brian Insoliveres, your mathematics teacher.